guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did a poll on my Instagram and this is one of those requested videos. So I have an old video about this Conair blow dryer here. I'll try to link it up in the cards above. It's gonna come on the screen. We're just gonna say that. So if you haven't already seen it, check it out. But this is gonna be my updated blowout routine using this. Yeah, so hold on. Okay, so I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair. It feels so soft. So what I do is I do let it sit in a towel for a few minutes, if not an hour or so. Put this one back up actually. And then I'm ready to begin my blow drying process. So as my heat protectant, this is the best. It's the Chi Silk Infusion Silk Reconstructing Complex. So I'm actually just going to divide my hair into sections because my hair feels so good and so soft. Oh my goodness. But on this big section right here, I'm going to put some heat protectant. So I'll put about that. So it's about a nickel sized amount. And then I just distribute that all over my strands. And focus on my ends. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to be greasy. And then I'm just going to detangle the section with my tangle teaser. That way I can make sure the product is evenly distributed and get out any knots and tangles that decided they wanted to be in my hair. Oh, by the way, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I'm done with that. So this is the section. Then I'm just gonna take this top section and do the same thing. Focus on my edges and these ends. So roughly it takes me about 20 minutes, if not sooner, to blow out my hair. Depends on how wet my hair is, which is why I kind of allow it to start drying before I even do anything to it, because then it'll blow out a lot faster. See? And you want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled throughout the entire process. That way it'll go by faster. This side isn't even always blown out. And it's trying to show up. There you go. And then I'm going to do the side and I'm going to come right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I have heat protectant all over my head and I already took away a section. So I usually work medium to small sections, not too big, not too small. And then I set it up on high. But first I'm going to brush it one more time because it is a brush, but you do not want to use this brush to detangle your hair. It's not meant for that. So if you want to keep your hair, don't try to detangle with this blow dryer brush, okay? So I'm gonna hold it taut, and then I really try to do I'm just gonna show you guys and stop talking. So I'm gonna show you this one section and then we'll speed it up. Okay, so this is how my hair looks. It still feels really moisturized. It still feels really soft and it's shiny. And this is it. It only took a couple passes. Literally watching the time, it took me like a minute to like do this section, to be honest. And it still came out pretty straight. And this is how the ends look. You know, the ends are like the important part. So yeah, this is how it looks. So we're gonna speed this up and then I'll come back once I'm all done. Untwist this. And this is my blowout. Took me about, with recording, took me about like 30 minutes. But this is the end result. It still feels really soft. It doesn't feel dry, which is what I like with this blow dryer. Because other times I use blow dryers, it feels really dry. I need to clip my ends again, but that's whatever. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what hairstyle you think I should do now that my hair is blown out. Let me know if you've tried this blow dryer or the Revlon version of it. So this one I know you can get in Target. It's still sold in Target. The Revlon one I think you have to get online, like Amazon or something like that. So just like comment down below, let me know. If you haven't already, by the time you got to this end of this video, why haven't you subscribed? So go ahead and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.